Okay, so Yuan is going on a holiday to India. He has saved £450 to exchange for Indian rupees. The exchange rate on the internet last week was £1 is equivalent or is equal to 99.40 rupees. Had Yuan been going on holiday last week, how many rupees could he have bought? So every £1 is worth 99.40 rupees. So to change pounds into like this foreign currency here, you need to multiply. Okay, every pound is worth 99.40 rupees. So if he's got £450, you've got 450 then lots of 99.40 rupees. And if we type it into a calculator, we get 44,730 rupees. Okay, so quite a lot of rupees, but that's what a pound is worth. It's worth almost 100 rupees, isn't it? Now, part B, Yuan exchanges his money on arrival in India. Okay, so the exchange rate is now £1 equals 99.72 rupees, so it's changed slightly. The exchange bureau only has 500 rupee notes. Yuan wants to buy as many rupees as possible with his £450 savings. How much of his £450 will Yuan spend buying rupees? And give your answer to the nearest penny. Okay, so he's not going to spend all of this on rupees, right? It's not possible because the exchange bureau only has notes, right? It doesn't have coins. So if he says, I want to give you all of this £450, can you give me the equivalent in rupees? They're not able to do that, right? Because they can only hand out notes, no coins. So what we'll do is, to start with, we'll work out what he could get in rupees, right? Supposing they had coins and everything. So let's work that out. £450, every pound is worth 99.72. So we'll see what £450 is worth. And we get 44,874. Okay, rupees. Now, remember, the exchange place bureau cannot give this, right? It can only give 500 notes. So there's a certain amount there that they're not going to be able to hand over, all right? In fact, at 44,874, he will only be able to receive 44,500, if you think about it that way, yeah? Because the extra here, they're not going to be able to give him the extra 374 on top of this in other notes because they've only got 500 notes. So that's what he's going to receive. Let's see how much that is in pounds, right? So if we exchange rupees back to pounds, you've got to then divide. Okay, when you exchange it back, you've got to do the opposite times and you divide by the exchange rate. Let's see what that would be. 44,500 divided by 99.72, and that comes to £446. 20. Let's write all that down. 249. Yeah, for now 2 decimal places. Yeah, for money. So we chop that off there, and because that's a 9, we round that up to a 5. It says to the nearest penny, doesn't it? Okay, so we need to round that there carefully. So it'll be £446.25. That's how much he'll actually spend. Okay, he won't be able to spend the full amount of £450.